this video, I'm going to show you stem stitch. To get started, we come up through the back side of the fabric, and we're going to make these pretty small today. So I'm only going to go about an 1/8 inch forward, and instead of letting the thread hit the fabric immediately, I'm just going to catch it with the thumb on my offhand. I'm going to come back up in between point A and point B. So my point C that starts my second stitch is between A and B there. And I'm going to kind of pull it to myself and let that first stitch land. So now this is the stitch from C to D is going to be an 1/8 inch, but it's only progressing just a tiny bit. And then my third stitch starts right where my first stitch ended. Pulling it to myself, my second stitch landed there. So this stitch is also an outline stitch, and it is great for stems. The texture that we're making with this is going to be a rope texture. I've got some great work from, I think, the 60s from my great-grandmother, and her stem stitches were so tiny. It puts mine to shame, really. She did some great accents, so there was like whimsical flowers and they were accented with this, so that's a way that you could use it. I also found that you can make it look super different by how long you do it. See how I made that much bigger? So the point of doing it the two different ways is to show you. Making them tiny like this is great for whimsical, for tight curves, for stems. This, if you paired a bunch of lines like that together, that would make some excellent tree bark. It's got that rough texture to it. I think that would be fun there.
Find more embroidery resources at rosannadiggs.com.